guys, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing early this morning. I have some gardening goals, guys. Gardening goals. I ran out of my little seedling starter planter trays that I was using, and so we're going to be using eggshells, and I'm going to use them on my plants that are a little more sensitive to transplant, because I can put the egg and everything in the soil and I don't have to worry about actually taking it out of one pot and then putting it in the ground. So I'm going to show you how I prep my eggshells, how I do the whole process, and then we're going to get to planting, or I'm going to get to planting. So first thing you want is obviously an egg, and I have my bowl here, and that is going to be where I put the actual egg. So you want a pinprick in the bottom, like so, and that is so that you have some drainage. Now it says to put one, but I'm going to put a couple. Just be careful not to crack your whole egg. So there, I have 3. Then very carefully we're just going to take the top part off. Like so. And there's no real wrong way to get it off. You just want to make sure you don't crack your whole egg, because then you're not going to be able to plant in it. So, wiggle it all out. And that's pretty good. So you see we have the whole egg to our use. I'll have to get my my shell out of there. But anyway, that's what you want. Then what I'm going to do, put it right in this pot. Put all of my eggshells in here, and then we're going to boil them for about 3 minutes to make sure all the bacteria is gone out. Okay, so I have all my eggshells in a big pot, big stock pot, and literally all you do, pour water over top of them, bring it up to a boil, and boil it for about 3 minutes. All we're doing is making sure that there's no leftover egg in it, no leftover bacteria, because we don't want anything that could compromise our seedlings. We want a nice clean eggshell. And that should be good, just gently, because again, we don't want to break our eggshells. And like these, I'm just gonna smudge those bad boys. And this is about 2 dozen eggs, give or take. I wasn't really counting. About 2 dozen. So, I'm gonna come up to a boil. 3 minutes is all you need. And then we're gonna take them out, or strain them, and let them cool and dry out. Alright, so here are all my beautiful eggs. They have been drained, they have been rinsed. Now you could always rinse them before you boil them. I wasn't real worried about it, so I waited until after, and whenever I drained, I just rinsed off anything that may have still been inside the egg, because then it's just cooked and it's super easy to get out. And now I'm just going to let these sit here, air dry. I have them turned upside down. See? I'm going to let them air dry on this mat, cloth thing. And then once they're dry, fill them up with soil, put my seeds in, and we're good to go. That's how easy it is. And it's free. They came from my ladies. I get to use the egg that was on the inside. We are reconstituting the outside. This is full of vitamins for your plant. It's biodegradable. And again, you don't have to worry about transplanting, because you can literally stick the whole thing in the soil. All you do is give it a little squeeze whenever you stick it in the ground, just so the roots have a chance to actually hit the soil around the egg. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little gardening video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.